What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video, and it's going to be on the car that everybody seems to think I've sold, which I haven't. It is going to be, of course, on my W211 04 E55 AMG. Now, you guys may notice something. We'll talk about that in a different video, not right now because that deserves its own video. But yes, I did get new wheels for it. What we're going to do today is I am going to do a differential oil change. Now, the car has 195,000 miles on it, and I am 1 billion% sure it has never had a diff oil change. And well, you need to, especially in a car that loves to do burnouts and other, activities that are, of course, only done on private roads or in Mexico. So what we're going to do first is I got to move the monstrous E63, get it out of the way. I have some ramps. I'm going to move this forward, and then we are going to go ahead and get the ramps out of that car, the E320 CDL, which is, by the way, doing great. And then move this forward, put the ramps, pull it back, get underneath, and do it. And by the way, the thing that actually does where the drain plug is for all of them, the size is a 14mm Allen. It is this. It's huge. Oil we're using is going to be Liquid Moly 85W90. We're going to also do it on that car over there, which takes 7585. And I was like, I'm just going to use this on that car. But then I remember that we have one all the way over there. It's gear oil back there. I don't know if you guys can see it. It is from the X5 that I had like 3 years ago with a locked up motor. I had bought that to replace it in the actual diff, but I never did. So I have the oil, which is perfect. So we're going to do it on the E55, and then off camera, I'll probably do it on the 320. Or maybe we'll do it on camera so you guys can see what it looks like. Let me go get everything set up. We're going to move the cars, and then we'll be good. And now, the loudest one. Let's see if it starts. Oh, I need keys. Okay, so we're underneath the E55. That's where the actual fill plug is up there. The drain plug is right there. So it's pretty simple, nothing too tough. I'm already unscrewing it. So as soon as I unscrew this thing, I will get you guys back in here so we can see what the heck this all looks like. Alrighty, so there's the drain plug. Let's see if I don't make a complete mess here. I don't know how much this thing's gonna come out, but I really hope it's not completely toast. Okay, I mean, it's not horrible. It's not completely black either. It's not too bad. Gotta be honest, not too bad oil in there. It's not really much. I forget how much it exactly takes, but it's something really, really minuscule. Actually, this thing may have been changed, if I'm being honest, because this doesn't look too bad. Like usually, maybe it'd be burnt or something, but it's not that bad. I mean, it smells like crap, because they all do. Gear oil is terrible, but it's not bad. All right, well, I'm going to let this thing dry out, and then we'll fill it up. Just like magic. That's it. So I didn't film me filming it or filling it, but it's really easy. Liquid Moly's bottles are super easy. Once you untighten the cap and you lift it up, the actual straw thing comes out. Let me see if I can, here, let me grab the bottle. I'll show you guys. So, excuse the messy garage. I mean, it's just life. So here's the bottle. Like I told you guys, it didn't take that much, but I mean, it's not really supposed to. So let me untighten it. Tighten this, as you can see, you lift it up and the straw thing comes out. I basically just put the straw in there and I just kept squeezing the bottle until basically it's full once the fluid comes out of the diff. Once you see fluid start coming out, that's when you're at the point of, okay, it's time for me to basically stop and go from there. So yeah, we're good to go. Fluid has been changed. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to fire the car up, and I'm going to not take it for a ride, but I'm going to take it around I'm gonna go up and down the street real quick, just see how it feels. I mean, I don't think that's gonna make much of a difference changing the diff oil right away, because the diff had no issues. The car drove great, no issues. It's a maintenance thing. Next thing I want to do to it is I want to change the brake fluid, because that's for sure never been done. But God, look how good it looks with those wheels. And we'll get more into those, what those are, how much I got them for, what it took to get them here, because they did get refinished. That's why they look so good. But we'll talk more about it in the next video. But thank you all so much for watching. Quick little video here, nothing too crazy, just a quick little diff oil change. And then yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video, where it'll probably be on the wheels. Have a good rest of your day.